So there's an asteroid with a 1 in 10 chance of hitting Earth and no one is talking about it. If you watched my last video about 2024 YR4, then you learned that NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory reran the numbers on this asteroid and found out that we were safe. And if you wanted to keep up with all the near-Earth objects, then you could go to NASA's public database linked in the caption below. And so, being the good astrophysics researcher that I am, I began poking my head around the database. And I came across 2 asteroids which caught my eye. 2010 RF12 and 29075 1950 DA. Yes, really rolls off the tongue, wouldn't you say? I was gonna name my child that. If you spend enough time in the astronomy community, you learn that a lot of things are named after their scientific catalog name and not necessarily have a nickname just quite yet. Until now. Okay, for the sake of this video, 2010 RF12, let's call Lil John. And 2905 1950 DA, let's call Big Sean. And in the interest of time for this video, we're only gonna talk about Lil John. Okay, so 2010 RF12 or Lil John has a 1 in 10 chance of hitting Earth, right? Which is 10%, right? So why is no one talking about it? Him? Well, because Lil John, as the name insinuates, is relatively small. I say relatively because on human scales, he's 23 feet in diameter, which is pretty big. I mean, that's comparable to a London double-decker bus, or some of the largest great white sharks, which is a gut-wrenching, terrible fact that I wish I didn't know that I learned only by doing this video. Goodbye, sunny days swimming in the ocean by the beach. And although Lil John sounds large and terrifying, he's not. For reference, the famous Chelyabinsk meteor that flew over Russia from this famous viral video was twice the size of Lil John. And the worst damage imposed from this object indirectly affected some structures and shattered some windows, caused some injuries, but no one died. So with Lil John being as little as he is and not being able to impact Earth until 2095, I wouldn't be worried about any damage anytime soon. Plus, the surface area of Earth is 71% water, so the likelihood of it hitting anybody in the face is relatively low. As for the very, very large asteroid, Big Sean, well, you'll just have to stay tuned for that. Okay, bye for now. Goodbye, sunny days by the ocean, swimming in the ocean. Nope. God damn. It's the famous Chelyabinsk. How do I look this up? Chelyabinsk. All right, Chelyabinsk. Yo, Chelyabinsk.